Okay, everyone, it is Thursday afternoon. It's about 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I had a doctor's appointment, just a little follow-up, preventative, nothing serious going on, so don't worry about that. First of all, I want to get a few housekeeping items out of the way. You've noticed by now that there's a banner on the website talking about the Insider Code Plus. And we're going to be moving the membership area into paid content and then free content. As always, the daily videos as well as the weekly wraps and then the webinar recordings will always be on the free members area. On the plus side of things, we're going to be doing more live interaction. I'll be doing more in-depth analysis on trades where I will literally, for a couple of markets, right now I'm looking at the British pound and the Japanese yen, where I will give you more in-depth, blow-by-blow, step-by-step analysis where I talk about where to get in, where to get out, how to manage the position, different areas that I'm looking for possible trades. So it'll be much more in-depth trade recommendations. And because of that, I'm not going to be able to be as active in those two markets. In other words, the way that what I have to do is wait 48 to 72 hours from the time that I put the video up on the website and actually trading anything for my own personal account or corporate account. So because of the nature of the way we're going to be doing things and the delay, it is a nominal fee, and we're charging $23.47 a month. It literally is 78 cents a day, so it is very affordable. And quite frankly, there's going to be a ton of stuff that we're doing on that members area. So I encourage you to check it out over the next 10 days as we bring more and more content online. Everyone right now has access to that, so feel free to get in and kick the tires. Just know that we are going to be expanding the area as we move along. I wanted to, most importantly, get it out there, get the programming in place, and we'll build on it as we go along. Having said that, let's take a look at the British pound here on the 60-minute bar. We're forming a very nice pennant pattern here with this. With the pole coming up from the 11th. We're going to have a couple of different breakout areas here. Given what's going on a daily basis, I'm not all that excited about the short side of things, but I want to draw your attention up here to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we have this tunnel pattern here, which ends in the 2.030 or in the 2.0330 area, so 330. And then we also have several Fibonacci levels which are in this area. So we're at that spot where we're waiting for a reversal. And now we're seeing the beginnings of that. So I'm looking for a couple of positions. Let's go ahead and lock those in here. The first one, this is a little bit tricky because we have some support here, here, and here. So we definitely want to let the market clear this area. So short trades, 2.0271 with the 35 pip stop that's what I'm looking for. On the top side here, I'm looking to watch for the market to break just above this 360 area. So for the long trade, let's put it up here, long 2.0365. 35 pip stop. Again, we're looking for the momentum to kick in and for the market to move one way or the other. So we've got about 30 pips to go on the downside and about 60 pips to go on the other side. This is a rather tight formation, so be on the lookout for this thing to break either early in the London session, possibly getting into the tail end of the Asian session. So I'd be watching this around 2 to 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time.